I'm incredibly excited for this because this is easy pizza toast. Pizza toast. When I say pizza toast, literally this is a very healthy and nutritionally dense sprouted sourdough toast. I have a clove of garlic. This is how we make quick and easy garlic bread. Real garlic bread with real garlic. Look at that. I literally demolished one whole clove on this. So we're just going to spread some tomato paste on our garlic toast. I'm going to leave the chunks there. You don't have to leave the chunks. By no means do you have to leave the chunks of garlic. It's cool if you want to take them away. We like spicy garlic. It's good for your belly. It's a natural antibiotic, so why throw it away? So now that we made our garlic toast, I have our tomato paste. This is our pizza sauce. I'm literally just gonna spread, just like so. And the pigment in here in tomatoes, one of the healthiest pigments is lycopene. So now we have our pizzas. We're gonna cut our sausage. And oregano is definitely a pizza seasoning and it adds so much flavor. And some rosemary. And as a surprise spice, we got some Calabrian chili flakes and powder to give some pizzazz to our already spicy garlic toast. I like to do one sausage per piece of toast. Last but not least, we're going to grate Pecorino Romano cheese, one of the healthiest cheeses that you can eat. Raw, sharp, sheep's milk cheese, so good. It's one of my favorite cheeses. In the longevity regions, they consume a lot of sheep's milk and goat's milk and dairy. And they live well into their 90s and they're still moving around because they're doing stuff. They're moving, they're eating good food, and that's the key to being healthy. A drizzle of extra virgin olive oil to just put this perfect dish into completion. If you're not excited to eat this just by looking at this, I mean, I'm incredibly excited. My mouth is watering. This is easy, this is quick. It takes literally less, it takes the time of the toast to be made because everything is all there. You don't need to make pizza sauce, nothing. Your children will love this, your families will love this. Feed this to them. First, let me take a bite to just show you how much you're gonna love this.
Just want me to be always ready, give him a little pizza every night. He give me a little kiss and then he hug me once or twice.
As I say, we did good. Sweetness of the tomatoes, the sharpness of the Pecorino Romano cheese and the provolone and the turkey sausage with the Calabrian chilies. Again, you don't need to put Calabrian chilies. The garlic has enough spice as it is. Unbelievable. Make this for your children. They will love it. You'll save money on pizza because pizza's expensive and you're not paying for health by any means. Make these. Make these today. Make these tonight. Make these when you get the late night munchies. Just make these because you will be happy. Come taste. Lock the camera and come taste. I'm not talking to my imaginary friend. Someone is here. They're just taking a while.
Mom here. My turn.
Stand on your tippy toes.
Mom here.
Wow. Talking about spider flexors. Mom is here to taste.
Mom's here.
And you know what? He ain't even Italian. But Mamma Mia.
That was some bite.
Loves that pizza every night.
How was it?
I love U.S. Wellness Meats more than anything.
Arrivederci.